everybody to another video. Today is going to be a bit different from what I normally do as an unboxing. Today I'm going to be showing you some 3D printed modeled airplanes made by a creator on Thingiverse. I'm gonna show his name right up here. Okay, so first thing I got is so let me lift it up for the view, a better view. Okay, so right here we got the F-16, the F-22, and the F-35 Fighting Falcon. No, not Fighting Falcon. So we got the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the F-22 Raptor, and the F-35 Lightning II. So I'm going to be building these very quickly in like a 5-second time lapse or slower. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So then after some time now, so I couldn't have built this thing because it was a bit, for some reason something it didn't fit in. I couldn't have built the F-22, but that's okay because I already made an F-22 before I started this video. I'm trying to count the pixels for some reason. I'm dumb. And you also got and here's the and I built the F4, and here's the F4, and you might have thought that after I said that I built another F-22, that I built another one, and this is the one, but no, I actually I did make another one, build another F-35, but that is for my brother, Matthias Plays. I'm gonna put his channel link in Discord if you like gaming, like first-person shooter games and stuff like that. Then you should probably go subscribe to him. And the F2, I got 2 of those. And I'm thinking of making a really sick edit. But yeah. So so now, because I built 3 of them, I'm gonna try to talk as much about them as I can to waste your precious time. So the F-22 Raptor actually has a little ring in it. I don't know if that was if this was made for to be hung up on your so then you could carry it around in your backpack or something. But yeah, it's pretty neat. And also, let's just put them up here. So right here, by the way, that's the second F6. Yeah, basically, the F-22 has a little ring. I don't know if that was if that's a part of the actual F-22, but it sure is neat. And also, you might be saying and also just to say, one thing that they got wrong about this is that is the little wings in the back, the vertical the stabilizer. Well, yeah, they are actually supposed to go. I'm pretty sure they if I'm correct, the F-22 goes sideways, goes like outwards, not like straight like that. But you know, it's fine. You may not like just like notice it and like do not like it, but you know, it's not that bad of a deal. Anyways, this and also it has 4 pieces. 4 pieces. This also has 4 pieces, and actually, just to say, this is actually like the strongest and most advanced. This is like the strongest. This is the strongest fighter jet in the world at the time. And the F6 has only 2 pieces because the back wing is a part of the first part, and also it's the only one with that like you could actually see the missiles or the weapons, because these two don't. And I don't know if they're like in them right now, but these are the 3 these are 3. So I don't know about you, but to me the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the F-35 Lightning II, and the F-22 Raptor are the most iconic and like usually like what you think of first when somebody says fighter jet. To me, like these are the best and most like best ones. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye, because I have